terms of student performance, I think what our goal is engagement. And we want our classrooms to be more active, more mobile, more interactive, students working together in groups, and measuring that really comes down to how engaged are students.
So since getting the board, some of the biggest impacts that I've seen in student learning is definitely the engagement piece. It's a wow factor when they first come into a room with one of the BenQ boards.
The biggest change I've seen in students' performance since we got the board is the excitement they have for just engaging with the board. I mean, which is engaging with their learning, because that's what we're using it for.
That's what we want. Our students excited to be here. Are they excited to do the things that their teachers set up for them to do? And are they enjoying every day, every lesson, and the BenQ and the interactivity of that piece of classroom instruction does get kids more excited.